Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some new patterns. I got a box in the mail. I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what collection this is. I am so excited for spring sewing. I know that the Simplicity spring collection, as well as the McCall's and Know Me spring collections, they are already live on simplicity.com. So yeah, I'm really excited about all the new styles, and I cannot wait to start sewing some really fun and cute spring and summer pieces. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Okay, let's just jump right in. This one right here, this is Vogue 2025. Super cute dress. I love this. This is a missus dress with sleeve variations. It's a fit and flared dress, close fitting through the bust and waist. It has front cutout details, bias ties, front welt pockets, invisible back zipper, hook and eye closure, and narrow hems. For fabric recommendations, they recommend crepe, linen blends, poplin, rayon challis, and tinsel twill. You will also need some lining and interfacing for this pattern, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. So again, this one right here is Vogue 2025. Oh, this is cute. This one right here is Vogue 2027. This one here is a missus dress and 2 different lengths. It's close fitting, underlined. Lined dress has neck facings, bias sleeves, bands, round neck in front, V in the back, short sleeve, trumpet bottom, invisible back zipper, hook and eye closures, and the hems are sewn by hand. So if that is your vibe, if you love a little trumpet bottom, which I think is super cute, I love the fabric that they used in View A, but you can definitely make something out of it and make it a little bit more formal like they did in View B. Speaking of fabrics, you can make this in a brocade, a silk crepe, a lace, and a silk tweed. You will also need some underlining and some lining and some interfacing for this dress. And for sizing, it's available in sizes 4 through 22. So again, if you're interested in this dress, definitely write down Vogue 2027. This is Vogue 2033. This right here is a missus skirt in 2 lengths. I love View A. I love the way they styled it. I love the fabric they used. It's a yes for me. So this is a draped bias cut skirt, has a narrow waistband, invisible size zipper with hook and bar closure. You have baby hems and length variations. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a crepe back satin, linen blends, and rayon challis. And for sizing, this pattern is available in size 4 through 20. If you're looking for a bias cut skirt, definitely write down Vogue 2033. This is Vogue 2034. This is a missus shorts and pants. These shorts are going to be really cute for spring and summer. This is a sailor style short and pants fitted through the hips. It sits on the natural waist. It has a front flap with button closures, side front pockets, and back yoke and inseam pockets. For fabric recommendations, they recommend denim, linen blends, silk tweed, as well as tweed, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. I love that they left the raw hem on the bottom of View B, super cute. Okay, if you're looking for a cute pair of sailor style shorts and pants for spring and summer, definitely check out Vogue 2034. So right here is Vogue 2036, super cute pattern. This is a missus vest and pants pattern. Unlined, semi-fitted vest, has a notch collar, extended shoulders, front extended to side back, inside tie, front D-ring closures with welt pockets and flap. You have a high-rise pant, semi-fitted through the hip. It has a contour waistband, side front pockets, front fly zipper, hook and bar closure, and creased legs. Okay, creased legs. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a linen silk blends and tropical wool. You will need some lining and interfacing for this pattern. And for sizing, it's available in sizes 6 through 24. I love this color that they used on the pattern. Such a great color for spring and summer. The styling is great too. I love this one. This is really cute. So if you are looking for a missus vest and pant, definitely check out Vogue 2036. Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's do that. This one here is a missus bikini in sarong. It's a lined bikini top, has halter ties, backside release buckle, O-ring in the front, lined high-rise bikini bottom, has O-rings on the side, ruffle hem, sarong skirt ties to the side. Fabric recommendations, you need swimwear, 4-way knit stretch fabrics, and for View C, the skirt, you can make it in a poplin or a santeen. For sizing, this is available in an extra small through extra large. If you're looking for a new bikini with a cute little sarong skirt, definitely check out this pattern here. Again, the number is Vogue 2038. Okay, this one here is Vogue 2039. This one here is a unisex shirt and pants. Very nice. Semi-fitted shirts have stand-up collar, extended shoulders, concealed front button closure, inseam front pockets, front pleat detail, and pressed inverted pleats on the back. Very nice. Fabric recommendations, they recommend a lightweight denim, linen blends, tencel twill, and tropical wool. As far as sizing, it's available in size small through extra, extra large. If you're looking for a unisex pattern, definitely check out Vogue 2039. Okay, moving right along. This one here is Vogue 2041. This is authentic vintage reproduction pattern. It has additional size option and cut and layouts. It's full sleeve with elastic at the wrist. Very cute pattern. I think this one is going to be a hit for spring and summer. For fabric recommendations, they recommend soft or crisp fabrics such as a crepe, a jersey, a lace, and it also has sheers on here as well. For sizing, this pattern is available in size small through extra large. This one's cute. She's cute. This is Vogue 2042. Misses dress in 2 different lengths. It is an authentic vintage pattern reproduction, 1970s. It's a one-piece evening dress. For fabric recommendations, they recommend crepe, double knit, georgette, lightweight wool, satin crepe, silk lining, and synthetic knits. You will also need some lining for this pattern, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. I think this is going to be a hit as well for spring and summer. Okay, friends, so that is just a sneak peek of the collection. There are more patterns in here, okay? I did not show you all the patterns. I only wanted to give you a sneak peek, but just know that there are more patterns in this collection. Let me look and see if it's on the website. Okay, I just looked. The collection is not live on the website just yet, so you just got a legit sneak peek of what's to come. So if you like the patterns in this video, I really do hope that you jotted down the numbers. So when the collection is live, you'll be able to head on over there and start shopping. But that is all for the video. I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know below which pattern numbers you wrote down. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.